Hello everyone. In this video, I intend to teach you input devices of computer system. See the list of input devices: keyboard, keyboard, mouse, scanner, OMR, BCR, MICR, OCR, light pen, biometric sensor, touch screen, microphone, web camera, QR code reader, smart card reader, joystick. These all are input devices. These input devices are responsible for inputting data in the computer system. There are different types of input devices because there are different types of data. Now see this input devices one by one. The most common input device is keyboard. This is called primary input device. This is called primary input device. Keyboard which directly enters the data in form of letter, digits and command into the computer system. Most commonly input device. This is also called primary input device. We use mouse for making design, clicking on button, but mouse is not primary input device. Keyboard is primary input device. Types of keyboard: normal keyboard and multimedia keyboard. This keyboard is normal keyboard. In normal keyboard there are 101 to 104 buttons, and in multimedia keyboard there are more than 110, 120 and 130 buttons available on keyboard. It depends upon manufacturer. Multimedia keyboard gives us facility to do our work by pressing a single button. Suppose you want to open Internet Explorer, you want to open web browser, you have to click only a button, then it will open web browser. Suppose you want to type www, three times www, you have to press button for typing three times www in a single button. These all are example of multimedia keyboard. Now types of port: serial port, PS2 port and USB port. And one more type is wireless keyboard. Wireless keyboard means there is no concept of wire, but these all are wired system. Serial keyboard, serial port means connector, USB connector and PS2 connector and serial connector. Serial connector is old, PS2 connector is older than USB, and USB keyboard is popular nowadays, but this time wireless keyboard is more popular. Now next, mouse. A computer mouse is an input device that control a cursor in a GUI, graphical user interface, and can move the select text, icon, files and folder on your computer. This mouse works in graphical user interface system. Types of mouse: scroll mouse, optical mouse, Scroll mouse and optical mouse. A scroll mouse means there is concept of ball. On the basis of ball, mouse pointer moves. Optical mouse, there is concept of light. Mouse pointer moves on the basis of movement of light. Okay. Now port, serial port, PS2 port and USB port. These all ports are available in keyboard, and nowadays wireless mouse is also available in market. Okay. Next, scanner. It is an input device that optically scan document images, convert into a digital signal. Okay. Used for making photo and used for making photo from photo. This is used to scan images, signature and different type of documents. Scanner scans photo, documents and different types of written material and convert into a digital signal. This is called scanner. Next, optical mark reader, OMR. An OMR is capable of recognizing predefined, pre-specified type of mark made with a dark pencil or ink. This is OMR machine, and you can see there is OMR sheet on which we appear in objective type examination. Okay, we fill our roll number by marking 0, 1 and so on. We fill our name, we fill our options A, B, C, D by marking on black or blue pen. Okay. Example, for checking objective OMR sheet. With the help of this OR machine, it is possible to conduct objective type examination, offline examination, and it produces result at a very fast speed. Okay. Next, BCR. BCR barcodes are often used to help organize or index information or prices about an object. Used in shopping mall. This barcode machine is used to detect the number printed on the different products for calculating the price and detecting the code of that particular object. This is called barcode machine, barcode reader. This barcode machine is used by shopkeeper in shopping places. Okay. Next, MICR, magnetic ink character recognition. It allows the computer to recognize character printed using magnetic ink. This technology is to automatically read numbers on the bottom of the check. This machine is basically used in banking system. You have seen check of any bank, and in the bottom of the check there are a special type of character written by the magnetic ink, and that magnetic ink magnetic ink character is recognized by the MICR machine. So this machine is used in banking system for reading the numbers of check at very fast speed. Okay. Now OCR. OCR is the process of taking an image of letter or type text and convert into data the computer understand. OCR is a process of taking image of letters or type text and convert into data the computer understand. Okay. OCR. Suppose you have a typed biodata and you do not want to type it again, then you can put in your biodata. OCR machine will scan the page and filter the entire character, and it will make a separate file. You can see the example for publishing new book from old one. It reduces the typing effort. Suppose there is a printed book and you do not want to type again. You can put the paper in OCR machine. OCR machine will convert all character in digital form, and it will produce a new file. In that file it will keep all filtered character. Okay, it reduces the typing effort. Next, joystick. A joystick is an input device that control characters or machine in a computer program, such as plane in a flight simulator. They look similar to a control device. Basically it is used for playing game. Okay, next, biometric sensor. It can scan human characteristics such as eyes and finger prints with the help of sensor. This biometric sensor, it is used for making attendance in different type of offices. Okay, next, touch screen. A touch screen is a display device that allows the user to interact with a computer by using their finger or a stylus. A stylus is a type of pen that is used on the screen. Okay, and this touch screen is available in ATM kiosks. Okay, they are useful alternative to mouse or keyboard for navigating a GUI graphical user interface system. Touch screen, you can see the touch screen in mobile also. Okay, next, web camera. It captures still pictures as well as video, and with the help of software can transmit them in real time. It is used for video conferencing. Web camera is used for video conferencing because it captures still images as well as video. With the help of software can transmit them in real time. Next, microphone. It is used for recording audio data in computer system. It works with sound card and mainly used for sound recording. Suppose you want to record your sound, you can connect your microphone in computer system. With the help of sound card, it will record your voice. Next, QR code scanner. QR code reader. QR code reader. Quick response code. It stands for quick response. It is a special kind of code that anybody can scan with the help of a smartphone. App that are usually direct to user to a website. Example, http://web.whatsapp.com. Suppose you want to open WhatsApp in your computer system, then in browser type this address, or after typing this address, open your WhatsApp in mobile and go to QR code option. QR code option means right hand side upper corner. You can see QR code option. QR code have gained popularly in commercial market because they are very easy to handle. Okay, QR code this time is very popular. You can see QR code is available on different type of product, especially you can see in paper. Without typing the web address of any website, you can scan the QR code. You will directly redirect on particular website. As example, you can open WhatsApp in your computer system by scanning QR code. You can make payment by payphone and different type of payment gateway, payment software. You can use QR code. Okay. smart card reader. This advanced card reader embedded with a microprocessor that can hold a certain amount of personal data in its memory. The special reader machine that is used to read this microprocessor is known as smart card reader. This is also known as POS machine. A smart card are used in ATM card, ID card, credit card and debit card. Okay. This machine reads the special type of card, ATM card. You can um, use different types of card provided by the different type of shop, Big Bazaar and Reliance Mart also. Your card will be scanned by the this type of machine and it reads your information contain your card. Okay. Okay. These all are list of input devices. I want to repeat this: smart card reader, QR code reader, microphone, web camera, touch screen, biometric sensor, joystick, optical character recognition, MICR magnetic ink character recognition, barcode reader, OMR optical mark reader, scanner, mouse and keyboard. These are the list of input devices. For watching next video, please wait. I will upload it soon. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.